In this segment, we'll show you how to assemble the aerator shaft and spools. First, attach the lift lever assembly, Part 8, to the two holes in the middle of the shaft, Part 10, with 2 hex bolts, Part B, and nylock nuts, Part K. Tighten the nuts securely. Next, press the split plastic bearings, Part X, onto both ends of the spool assemblies. Now identify the shorter end of the shaft and slide on a 1-inch spacer, Part S. Then slide on a single spool assembly, Part 9, and a 1.33-inch spacer, Part T. Next, slide on a double spool assembly, Part 11, another 1.33-inch spacer, and a 3/4-inch flat washer, Part N. Now on the long end of the shaft, slide on the middle brace, Part 3, with the bent end facing the lift lever. Then slide on a 3.7-inch spacer, Part R. Now slide on a single spool assembly and the 1.33-inch spacer, Part T. Next, slide on a double spool assembly. Then another 1.33-inch spacer and a 3/4-inch flat washer, Part N.